Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and before we start Friday's roundup, I just want to say big thanks to the latest sub, and that is Teriyuki. Hope I've said that properly. Gonna leave your name down here somewhere, or maybe up there. Cheers, Teriyuki. And let's crack on with this. Let's crack on with Friday's video. See you in a bit. Should have gone round this idiot. Oh boy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Jesus! Scrum bag. Fucking screamer. Past him. Oh my god, they're all at it, aren't they? Where's this clown going? Trying to get me, mates. Ooh, that was tight. I'm steaming up. Steaming up. Got the glasses on. I'm steaming up. Oh my god, brakes. Why are you braking? Stop driving up his arse. Let's have my visor a bit so I can't see a fucking thing. Anyway, oh fucking hell, Jimbo. What was all that about? Take put on. Here's my, there we go. Jesus. Didn't do my helmet up. Oh! Ooh la la. Oh god, we're here all day now. These screamers don't want to let you out. Oh yeah, it's a cold one. Yeah, so you can have a look. Let's get some air circulating around your helmet. Oh, drop on. Oh, drop on. Yeah, you can drop on, so. Drop on. What's going on down here? No, Jim. What you doing? I don't know. I'm trying not fucking crash. Seriously, trying not to lose my fucking mind this morning. How do you do? Get out the fucking way. Right, back again. I know, how are you? This is why you have a motorcycle. You don't have to sit in all of this crap. There's nothing like a nice bit of cool wind around your helmet.